Ever suffered from food poisoning and wondered what to eat to recover fast? It's a predicament many of us have found ourselves in. The torment of food poisoning can be eased with the right nutrition. Your diet during recovery plays a vital role in getting you back on your feet. Today, we'll explore 7 foods that can aid in speedy recovery: bananas, rice, applesauce, toast, yogurt, ginger, and herbal tea. So stick around to know the 7 best foods that can help you recover from food poisoning fast. First up on our list is bananas. This humble fruit is a powerhouse when it comes to recovery from food poisoning. Bananas are packed with potassium, an essential mineral that gets depleted during bouts of diarrhea or vomiting. Moreover, they're easy on your stomach and can be digested without causing any discomfort. Additionally, the natural sugars in bananas can provide a much-needed energy boost when you're feeling low. So, next time you're recovering from food poisoning, don't forget to add bananas to your diet. Next, we have rice. This humble grain, a staple in many diets, becomes a hero when it comes to food poisoning recovery. Being a bland food, rice is gentle on your stomach, allowing it to recover without further irritation. Additionally, its starchy nature acts like a sponge, soaking up excess stomach acids, mitigating discomfort, and reducing symptoms. It's not just filling your stomach, but also aiding your recovery. Rice, therefore, is a great option when your digestive system needs a break. Moving on, we have applesauce. This sweet, smooth delight is more than just a tasty treat. It's packed with pectin, a type of fiber that can help firm up loose stools, a common symptom of food poisoning. But that's not all. Applesauce also has a soothing effect on the stomach, easing discomfort and helping you feel better faster. Its mild flavor and easy digestibility make it a perfect choice during recovery. Hence, applesauce is a delicious and effective food to eat when recovering from food poisoning. Our next 3 foods are toast, yogurt, and ginger. Let's start with toast. This humble food is unassuming yet highly beneficial. It's bland, which means it's easy for your upset stomach to process. Toast is a good source of carbohydrates too, providing you with the energy you need to recover. Moving on, we have yogurt, a fantastic ally in restoring your gut health. It's important, though, to choose the probiotic-rich variants. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are good for your digestive system. They help balance your gut's microbiome, which can be thrown off by food poisoning. And lastly, we have ginger. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger can help soothe an inflamed stomach lining. But its benefits don't stop there. Ginger is also a potent anti-nausea agent, making it an excellent choice for those feeling queasy from food poisoning. Toast, yogurt, and ginger, therefore, are excellent foods to help speed up your recovery from food poisoning. Last but not the least, we have herbal tea. This comforting beverage, especially chamomile and peppermint varieties, can be a game changer when it comes to food poisoning recovery. Not only do these teas soothe an upset stomach, but they also help reduce inflammation. Plus, let's not forget the hydration they provide. When your body is fighting off toxins, staying hydrated is crucial. So, reach for a soothing cup of herbal tea next time you're battling food poisoning. To wrap it up, bananas, rice, applesauce, toast, yogurt, ginger, and herbal tea are your 7 superfoods to bounce back from food poisoning. They're gentle on your system while replenishing the nutrients you've lost. Bananas and rice provide easy-to-digest carbs. Applesauce supplies pectin to ease diarrhea, while toast, yogurt, and ginger can soothe your upset stomach. Herbal tea, on the other hand, can hydrate and calm your body. Remember, these foods can support your recovery, but always consult a healthcare professional when dealing with food poisoning. Stay healthy!